Hey guys, an update on NuScale Power Corporation. So maybe there are some new ones. I wanted to zoom out quickly. So we have two scenarios here. Please look at the one in blue and then look at the one in red, okay? The one in blue is that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some sort of a diagonal move to the upside, complete, okay? So all of this was a wave 1. And we are now then correcting all of this in this wave 2 with these blue fibs being relevant for this wave 2, okay? If that is the case, from this high we have a 1, 2, potential 3, 4, and then maybe another dip in a wave 5 to form an A wave, then get a B wave, and then still go down in a C wave towards this box, okay? Of course, this could be a 3-wave move down as well here in A or in wave W. Then we get an X wave or a wave B, and then a Y wave or wave C, okay? Just if we get this 5th wave down, it would be a little bit more bearish, because then, yeah, we would have to do a zigzag, which is always going a little bit deeper than other corrections. To show you an example, this one, 5 move down, 3 up, and then 5 down. This can push then to the 1.618, okay, this C wave. And your B wave doesn't go so high, so it can then go very deep. So if you want to be bullish, or like more bullish, and we don't want the most bearish correction, then we want to hit the 618 to invalidate this wave 4, which is sitting at 31.18. Okay, so if we hit this level, this wave 4 is invalid. Then we would have to finish this A wave here as a 3-waver, B wave, and then a C wave down. So that's scenario 1, okay? But for now, the other scenario is also still valid, and it's my leading scenario, okay? That is this being a 1, 2, 1, 2, and another 1, 2. So a triple 1, 2. And I only have the last 1, 2 in green here on the chart. If I have more confirmation that we are indeed in this one, then I will add these others also back on the chart. I just don't want it to be too chaotic. So remember, this green one is a triple 1, 2 scenario. For that one, I have these fibs taken from this low to this high, and then I label this as an A, B, C. Don't have it labeled, but that's my idea. We have, yeah, found support around the 618, and now we are going nicely to the upside. For this scenario, also I think this level is important. In case I'm wrong here, and in case this wave 1 should end here, then we want to see a 3-wave move here and not a 5-wave move. So this level stays relevant in my opinion. 31.23, we want to get above that. If I zoom in, also just to show you again the daily, we have bottomed here at like oversold territory, and now, yeah, look, the volume is really good, okay? So yeah, let's see. Let me zoom in as well quickly. Man, I keep clicking on this cursor and then I keep forgetting to turn it off. Okay, and then from the low here I want to add, if we have bottomed here in this wave 2, we want to see a 5-wave move up, okay, as an initial sign of strength. Could be that this was a wave 1, 2, working on a 3, 4, 5. For this 3rd wave, we can add a box. 1, A, B, C. Yeah, I will add the wave 1 here. And then do it like this. Like this. So you can see we have already reached the minimum targets, okay? So what I can do is I can remove this 1.32 fib, and then I can add support fibs for this wave 4 here, like this, okay? And here as well, we don't want the 618 to be hit, okay? So ideally this wave 4 holds one of these upper 3 fibs. Inside wave 3 here, you can see this is potentially another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe we get one more high, okay, to complete it. And if we get it, I will have to adjust this fib level with it, okay? For example, towards this fib or this fib. But we will see this tomorrow or on Monday. And ideally with this, we could make a 5th wave as well and maybe hit this 618 to invalidate this wave 4. And then the big task is, after this, will we hold support? And then will we push higher? Because we have come so deep. Even if we do 5-wave move here, it could still be an A, B, C inside this red B, okay? So I hope you're understanding that we are really, like, yes, this was an area that we could find support in because we were around the 618, but we are not out of the woods yet, okay? It can still turn out to be a larger correction, but I think if we do it, we're gonna have to shift towards the blue scenario. If we are in the green scenario, this has to be the low and we have to go higher now, okay? And we can identify if this structure starts to break, okay? For example, if now we just go down, then it would probably be a confirmation that the green scenario is not gonna happen and that we are in the blue one, okay? So I hope that's understandable. I know this one is a little bit of a more difficult and more unclear chart compared to some of the others we have, but I'm really trying my best. One more thing with this one is basically the NVIDIA CEO was with Joe Rogan on a podcast, and he talked about in 6-7 years, or like 5-6 years, I didn't want to make the joke 6-7, but or like 67 or whatever they say on like the thing that's trending. But yeah, this company is working on small modular reactors, and the CEO of NVIDIA said, yeah, probably all the big tech and AI companies will have SMRs themselves to power their stuff. So that's good for this company and for the uranium stocks, in my opinion. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll keep you updated when I feel the need for it. And yeah, bye bye.